Hello, this is a tutorial to help you complete the Plate Tectonics virtual lab. You're going to be visiting this website here, which shows you recent earthquake activity. And what I'd like you to do is click on this button here, last 30 days earthquakes. There is going to be a ridiculous number of earthquakes, 698 of them, but I only want to focus on the biggest one. So I'm going to sort this by magnitude. So this column is magnitude. Let's click on that until we have the biggest ones there. Okay, what I'd like to do is see if I can figure out what plate boundary those earthquakes occurred at. And so I'm going to do that by using two tools. I'll use Google Earth to figure out where this location is, and then I'll use a map to see where kind of what plate boundary that falls on. So this is the latitude and longitude, and I can just Command C, copy those straight into Google Earth. So I'm going to paste those into Google Earth and search, and you can see, okay, so I've already located this earthquake. It is way off here. I'm going to back up. Moving. There we are. So it's out in the ocean, and if you can see until you see land. Okay, so this is South America, and here's Antarctica, and it looks like the earthquake happened right there. I need to know what plate boundary that is. So I'm going to figure that out by clicking on this map, and I'm looking for roughly where that earthquake happened. It's off the coast of South America and close to Antarctica, so it looks like it's along the Scotia plate. And according to this legend down here, that type of plate boundary is a transform boundary. So that's going to have to go into this information here. So I'd like to record type of plate boundary was a transform boundary, and the name of the plates was the Scotia plate, and it's the boundary of the Scotia plate and the Antarctic plate. So we'll include that information there, Scotia and Antarctic plates. And I want to know the magnitude of that earthquake, and that is a 6.5. I'll enter that there. And I want to know the latitude and longitude. I might be able to just paste that in still there. Okay, and then the location. And this says the location is in the South Sandwich Islands region. So I'll enter that information. South Sandwich Islands. Okay, so you have successfully, or I have now, completed one earthquake. I want to see if I can find patterns for where the bigger ones occur. So to do that, I'm going to need to double check all the earthquakes that show up when you click this that are 6.0 or higher. So it looks like you're going to have about 10 or so that you need to kind of locate and identify what type of plate boundary it is and what plates that occurs between. Okay, good luck and go be awesome.